Arsenal legends Thierry Henry, Dennis Bergkamp and Patrick Vieira team up with Spotify founder Daniel Ek in an attempt to take over Arsenal. When the Gunners announced they had signed up as one of the founding members of a breakaway European Super League, the already rocky relationship between the Kroenkes and the club's fans took a turn for the worst. The team of Thierry Henry, Dennis Bergkamp, Patrick Vieira and Ek are preparing to launch a bid that will test the resolve of the current owners. If successful, then it is understood they could all return to Arsenal to be part of the new setup. In news that is bound to excite every Arsenal fan around the world. Just last week Josh Kroenke said that Arsenal wasn't for sale. However, with the trio teaming up with Ek and with pressure from the fans, KSE might have to consider selling the Arsenal.